want to find out more about this drive through the Oxley Wild Rivers National Park, the link in the description below. Just driven into Werrikimbe National Park, which is north of the Oxley Highway, between the coast and Walker. Fires have come through here. So yeah, it's really pretty, very nice. We've passed the turn off to the Morabang campground, which is on the right, heading north. And we're on the racecourse trail. We're in the four-wheel drive part of the racecourse track. A few steep pinches and so forth. There'll probably be a lot more ahead of us, I'd say, but yeah, even despite everything being burnt out a year ago, it's just come back so strongly. It looks beautiful in here. We're up on a high ridge on the western side of it, crawling our way up. You can only imagine how hot it would have been up here. The northwesterly winds fanning a bloody mega fire through this. We're way up now, like 11:30-ish, and the hot wind from the west is coming through as promised, northwest. Getting hot out there now. We just passed Poppy's Lookout on our left. We actually didn't stop. Number one, because we're feeling really lazy. Number two, because it's about 40 degrees out there. This is beautiful in here. Even the...
That's more like...
What's that?
That's more like what we would have been driving through pre-fire.
Yeah, all this stuff, yeah. It is more like what it would have been like. It's like the fire didn't get down in here.
Off to our left is dense rainforest.
Dense rainforest. Okay. And off to our right is a steep hill. I think I might go low range. Man, this is so beautiful. Oh, I reckon down the bottom here might be a good spot to stop and have lunch.
Gee, that tree doesn't look like it's long to this earth.
No, there's a few trees here that look a bit hollowed out, a bit shaky. After driving through all that burnt out country, which we're about to go back into as we climb up, this is a reminder of what it would normally look like. There's a creek just down in there somewhere. Like dense rainforest. Very beautiful and so protected down here. Hot and windy up in the slopes, but really cool and completely calm down here. Climbing up now, and quite unbelievable that small patches here that haven't been touched, and then there are other like northwestern facing slopes that are just absolutely desolate, haven't come back at all. As you can see here, we're in the ferns, and then we get up here and it's pretty much stripped bare.
Very scary.
Yeah, it's a bloody long way down on the left hand side. Holy hell.
Yeah. Don't bounce over.
Okay. This is like a north, in front of us down to the left is like a northwest facing
Cliff.
There's trees on it, and as you can see, it's just been hammered and there's nothing left at all. We're getting reasonably close to the Old Armadale road end of the track. And we're just going through this beautiful rainforest. We've been following really steep ridge lines for a long way now. We've just got out of that country. Incredible views on each side. It's definitely steep country, and I'm glad we don't go down into that stuff and back out again. We just seem to hang along the ridge lines, which is good. It's a good drive, excellent drive. It's not particularly challenging. So this is what we're talking about with the road. You get a glimpse out like this, and that's where it goes. It's vertical there. So we're out of the national park, just making our way towards Armadale Road. Great drive, highly recommend it. This road just keeps on giving. Views just keep coming one after the other. Look at this, magic. We're in a state forest, and down to the right I reckon it's probably 400 metres straight down. Wow.